Shailija Priyadashini stand against the motion Digital India movement.
Take in hand a brighter stride, Digital India, the nation's pride. Digital India, the nation's pride. The Digital India movement is not just a policy, it's a revolution. It's an aggressive push toward a smarter, faster, and transparent India. In the age of technology, clinging to outdated systems is sheer stupidity. Why to waste time standing in long queues when everything is just a click away? The Digital India movement is connecting millions of villages to education, healthcare, and banking like never before. Government schemes are now delivered straight to our fingertips, obliterating middlemen. Those who oppose it are surely afraid of progress. The Digital India movement is an unstoppable force driving India into the future.
The sellers clicks, the sellers speed, but leave the poor to drown in it. A digital trap, a tech-made chain where hopes are crushed and dreams go vain. While you spoke about digital progress and connectivity, you forgot to address the harsh reality that this Digital India movement is a reckless, dangerous experiment forced upon a population unprepared for such a monstrous shift. Most of the rural India is still shackled by poverty, illiteracy, and poor infrastructure. A shiny smartphone doesn't solve the problem when there is no electricity or network. The government is shamelessly glorifying Digital India, ignoring the harsh reality of digital illiteracy. Cybercrimes are skyrocketing, identity theft, online scams, data breaches, and the average citizen is defenseless. We are being dragged into a digital dictatorship under the false guise of modernization.
Your arguments are nothing but a fear-mongering delusion. The Digital India is launching massive digital literacy campaigns, arming the masses against the ignorance. Affordable smartphones and public Wi-Fi are launching everywhere. Cybersecurity framework is tightening every day. We're not living in the Stone Age anymore. The Digital India movement is creating millions of new jobs from app development to e-commerce, challenging those who are refused to adapt it. The Digital India movement unlocks the brighter future, empowering citizens and driving progress.
Your so-called progress is a time-ticking bomb. Millions are cut off from basic services due to lack of infrastructure, education. Your so-called digital literacy campaigns are just mere lip service. Meanwhile, the gap between the urban elite and the rural poor is widening into an abyss of inequality. Instead of solving unemployment, Digital India is crushing millions of traditional jobs without offering viable alternatives. This is a one-sided blind push towards a digital dictatorship where the rich thrive and the poor, as always, drowns. In conclusion, I just want to say that until and unless we fix the ground realities, Digital India is nothing but a dangerous illusion. Thank you.